In connected infrastructures, DCs can now streamline the entire maintenance task lifecycle, from issue detection to response and resolution. Connected services from Honeywell Intelligrated are empowering this process with advanced diagnostics, voice automation, and augmented reality technology. Using vibration and electrical current sensors, the system detects excess current draw on a conveyor motor and triggers an alarm on a critical curve of the sortation loop. As the DC manager reviews the location and severity of the issue on the operational dashboard, a technician is notified via an automatically generated work order. The technician begins a voice-directed inspection of the belt tension and discovers an issue that's not covered by the standard repair procedure.
Alert, fault detected, excess current draw. Check belt tension.
Ready.
Needed tools, 19mm wrench and required PPE.
Ready.
Perform lockout tagout of equipment. When ready to continue, say ready.
Ready.
Tension bearing adjustment bolts at inside radius and locations of drive and tail pulleys so belt face at corners is flush.
Ready.
Remove lockout tagout. To continue, say ready.
Ready.
Perform operation check.
Fail.
Contact tech site for further assistance.
TechSite smart glasses allow the technician to interact with a remote technical support expert and show them the specific problem at hand. The remote expert takes control of the motor through machine controls and shows the technician how to fix the problem, even displaying schematic drawings and instructions on the technician's field of view. After addressing the issue, the technician can now resume voice-guided resolution of the belt tension checklist.
Issue resolved with tech site.
Pass.
Upon completion of this process, the technician confirms that the current draw on the motor has returned to normal levels, and the belt is now at the correct tension. Honeywell Intelligrated combines connected services to automate the entire issue detection, diagnosis, and resolution process.